Good day everyone. Today I will be presenting my collage entitled Face of Inequality, a collage on Philippine social strata. This artwork illustrates the different social class in the Philippines, the upper class, the middle class, and the lower class, and how they reflect economic and social inequality in our country. At the top of the triangle, we see the upper class, wealthy families and business owners who control large companies and enjoy life of luxury and influence. They represent power and privilege in the Philippine society. In the middle section are the middle class, professionals, engineers, seafarers, and employees who work hard to maintain a stable lifestyle. They are often educated and hold decent jobs but still strive for economic security. At the bottom lies the lower class, farmers, fishermen, vendors, and the jeepney drivers. People who perform the country and essential labor yet often struggle with low income and limited opportunities. The triangle shape symbolizes the social hierarchy where the wealthy few are at the top and the working majority are at the base. This shows that while the Philippines continue to progress, inequality remains a major issue affecting opportunities, education, and living standards. In conclusion, the college remains as that every phase, rich or poor, play a vital role in nation building. Promoting social justice and equal access to resources is the key to narrowing the gap between class and achieving development for all Filipinos.